watery stools at least once a year or more. It could be due to any reasons like wrong eating habits, food allergy, bacterial infection, or due to chronic condition like irritable bowel syndrome. In any case, diarrhea and diet has a very strong link. While diarrhea is not a serious issue, it disappears on its own in a day or two. It's important to know foods to eat during diarrhea which will help to improve your condition in no time. I'm dietitian Pooja Bohora practicing on MFine, and today in this video I will be talking about foods to eat during diarrhea. Bread, banana, rice, apple and toast. Yes, these foods are bland in taste. They will help in binding the stools and also help to make them firm and not have watery stools. So definitely include these foods in your diet. Fluids. In diarrhea, you lose plenty of body fluids. It is important that you regain the right electrolyte balance. This is possible when you include lots of water, tender coconut water, clear chicken broth, vegetable soup, or simply electrolyte infused water. You can also include ORS, it will help to prevent dehydration. Probiotics. Probiotics are great to balance the good and the bad bacteria in the gut. In some cases, dairy may cause irritation to your gut lining. So it's better to go for probiotics which are non-dairy based like kimchi or sauerkraut. You can include probiotics in your diet to help relieve your diarrhea. Now coming to foods that you need to avoid during diarrhea. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can cause irritation in your intestinal tract. So it's better that you avoid spicy foods completely during you have this diarrhea. Sugary foods and artificial sweeteners. When sugary foods pass on to the colon, they may agitate the already present bacteria over there and may worsen the condition. Hence, it's advised to avoid any kind of sugary foods in your diet during diarrhea. Fried foods. Fried foods rich in oil or fat may worsen the diarrhea symptoms because they are very difficult to digest. It becomes an extra work for the digestive system. It's better you avoid fried foods completely. Foods that are high in fiber. So in normal days, when you include foods that are high in fiber, that helps to keep your digestive system active. But during diarrhea, it is recommended that you avoid foods that are high in fiber, especially nuts, seeds, whole grain cereals, breads, etc. Other than these foods, avoid foods and ingredients like onion, garlic, dairy products, your cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, citrus fruits and also dairy products. They might worsen your diarrhea symptoms. So that's it for today's video. As a heads up, if your diarrhea doesn't get better at home for 2 days after following the healthy diet also, it's better that you check with physician and go further for investigations as required. Keep watching this space on MFine channel for more such videos.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.